everyone, it's Allycat Castle. Today I'm super excited because we will be unboxing my very first Allure Beauty Box. Yes! And I'm super excited for this because it's basically editor's picks. And guess what? All you have to do is make an investment of $23 per month. And with that $23 of subscription, this is what you will get. Each month, you'll get 6 products or more Allure approved makeup and skincare picks delivered to your door, and it's valued at $100 or more for only $23. Yes! And for new members, there's a new member gift valued at $15 or more, and it's free shipping in the contiguous United States, and you'll also get a members only discounts and events. Yes! Without further ado, let's unbox it. Here we go. Yes, look at that! And in the box, it actually says, from the beauty experts, right? I believe those are the editors. And it says, at Allure, I believe that's their Instagram handle. And there's a hashtag, at Allure Beauty Box. Look at that. And this is like the catalog. And those are the products. So now, let's begin with the first product. Yeah! So the first product in this catalog is the Saturday Skin Rub-A-Dub Refining Peel Gel, yes! And it also says in here that the price of this is $28, and you can also buy this at Sephora.com. It actually comes with this kind of like a cardboard feel box. And look, let's open it right now! And there you go, look at that, she's so pretty, and she's in pink, my favorite color. It actually says in here, 4 directions. Cleanse and then pat dry your face. Gently apply to the face and rub in circular motions for 1 minute. Rinse clean with warm water and may be used once or twice a week. There you go. And this one also says that it's dermatologist tested. It's made with no parabens, sulfates, synthetic fragrance, or synthetic color. There you go. I'm looking forward to be using this one. And the next product in the catalog is the Loccitane Immortal Reset Serum. Oh my gosh, whoever can read this, please teach me how to read this. Let me see if we actually have that here. Oh, we don't have it. But I see this little baby right here, which is the Loccitane Immortal Divine Cream. Let's see, there's actually a note right here. It says that you will receive either the Loccitane Immortal Reset Serum or the Loccitane Immortal Divine Cream in your box. And I wish this one came in a little box, you know, and because even if it's a moisturizer, we're not sure what it really does, if it's anti-aging or whatsoever. But as I'm scanning here quickly, it says here that turns out their essential oil along with the other botanical oils in this cream are evening primrose and sunflower, to name 2, which makes my skin glow, giving the high points of my face a pretty dewiness on my cheeks, a healthy looking rosy flush. There you go. But it doesn't specifically say really like what it does. So anyway, I love Loccitane. I hope this one works. And now it's time for the third product. Yeah! And the third product is the Mani-Me Stick-On Gels. Yes, I believe this is that one. And it says that it's valid for $30, or perhaps what they mean is like valued at $30. And the price of this is between $15 and $25, and you can buy this at manime.com. Choose from 5 designs curated by Michelle Lee, Allure's editor-in-chief. Miss Michelle Lee, I hope next time it's more organized. I do appreciate this, but it would be nice if you have like one sheet that has like 1 or 2 sentences of everything, so that is easier for us to understand, right? And now the next product is the True Luscious Super Moisture Lipstick, which is this. And it actually says here that it's priced at $22, and you can buy it at trueluscious.com. And there's also a promo code in here. But anyway, so it actually comes in this box, and it actually says that it has hyaluronic acid and vitamin E. It's a super moisture lipstick, and it also says that it's good, clean, and glam. And right in the back says our best-selling Super Moisture Lipstick Collection features the shades that made us famous. A weightless, creamy, moisturizing formula enriched with hyaluronic acid, cognac root powder, and vitamin E for intense hydration. There you go. And it's formulated without parabens, phthalates, or triclosan. And it's vegan, cruelty-free, and safety tested as well. And this is made in Taiwan. So now let's open it. Here we go. It actually comes with this nice kind of like metallic packaging, I believe. Look at that, so cute. Kind of like holographic as well. And here she is. Let's actually try it first and swatch it right on my hand. Oh, that's a pretty color, right? It's kind of like a nice, I would say like a light, warm rose color. I'm not sure if it's something that I would use myself. If I actually use this one, I would actually just basically like use my fingers and then just apply it like that on the lip just to give me like a little bit of color. But anyway, you know what? Let's just put it on right on top of what I'm wearing. Let's see how it feels, right? Here we go. Oh, that actually went with the lip liner that I was wearing already. So it's true that it actually feels good. So I'm actually very happy with this lipstick. There you go. So the next product is the Beauty Crop Blush Duo in Marvelous. Here she is. And it says that it's priced at $10. And you can actually buy this at thebeautycrop.com. And let's see what's here in this box. So it's actually so tiny. And right in the box though is actually has their Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter account. It says at the Beauty Crop. There you go. And it actually says in here on the side that it's made with no mineral oils, no phthalates, nourished with kale, aronia berry, pomegranate, and papaya. It's fragrance-free, it's hypoallergenic, and non-comedogenic. There you go. So, it's developed in the United Kingdom, and it's made in China. And this one is also cruelty-free and vegan. There she goes. And now let's open this cute little baby. Oh, gosh. Here she is. Ah. Oh my gosh, here we go. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Let's see. Let's watch it right on my hand. That's a nice mauvey color. And then this is the cream blush. Now let's try it. It's actually very soft. Oh, look how pretty. Look at that. It's really cute. I'm not sure if it's colors that I would use, but definitely I think I would cheat and use the cream blush sometimes as my lip balm or as my lipstick. And then what I'm gonna do with the blush perhaps is that I'm gonna actually going to use that as a transitional color right on my eyes. There you go. So now the last product here in the catalog is the Base Blue Air Sponge. Here she is. Such a cute baby. And the price of this is $7. And it actually says here that you can buy it at basebluecosmetics.com. And here she is. Looking at it, it actually says in here that it's a mini air sponge. So I believe this is not the actual sponge because it says that it's mini. Or I believe is it the same one? And it says that it's a full coverage. And this one is actually made in China. There you go. So now let's try to open it just to feel it. How am I gonna open this box? Here she is. So basically, this is their version of a beauty blender or a makeup sponge. I myself, I love the one from Real Techniques, the orange one that I use all the time. But you know what? I'm gonna give this a try, like right under my eyes. There you go. And guess what? I got 2 more products inside the box. Oh my gosh. And of course, the catalog doesn't say about the 2 additional products that I got. So I went to the website, right? Let's go to the website. And guess what? It actually says in here that the two other products that I got are member gifts, which is the Decort Liposome Moisture Serum. And this one is actually 15 ml. And by the way, I really love Decort. I used to work at Saks Avenue, and this is a very good skincare line. Super expensive, so I'm super happy that I got this here in the Allure Beauty Box. And look how she is. Let's open it. Here she goes. Oh my gosh, I love that color. And now, the second gift is for the new member is this one. The Decort AQ Serum Absolute. Gift number 2. This one is actually 12 milliliters. And again, it's made in Japan. And let's open this baby. Here she is. Look at that. I love the packaging of Decort. It's so luxurious. Yes. And now it's time to give you my final thoughts on the Allure Beauty Box. Yes. And yes, I invested $23 for this beauty box. And in the first box that I got 7 physical products. And I got 1 gift certificate that I need to redeem for these nails. So it actually claims that 3 should actually be in full size. And looking at these, if their version of full size is the mask, the lipstick, as well as the blush, because this is what looks full size to me, then I'm disappointed with the blush because it's so small. But this one seems full size and the lipstick seems full size. So there you go. So my favorites in this box are definitely the skincare and the lipstick, which is the serums that I got as a gift, Decort, because this is really the best skincare that's made in Japan. And I love Loccitane. These are like made in France. I just wish that it came in a little box. And I also love, believe it or not, the lipstick. So those are the 4 products that I love in this box. So on that note, is it worth $23? I'll be honest with you. Because I got the 2 Decort serums in here, then I would say that it's worth the $23 investment. So I hope that next month, it will actually be a better selection. And if I could also say, I wish, please, Allure Beauty Box, whoever it is, to all the editors, yes, that the catalog is quite helpful, that there are little stories about the products. But instead of little stories, may I suggest if you could just make 1 sheet that gives a summary on what the products does, because it's so hard to navigate on how to use the products. So that's my overall review in this one. So is it approved or not? Well, I would say it's approved, because thank goodness that these 2 again saved this box from my overall decision. So again, if you find this helpful, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and also please don't forget to subscribe for more makeup reviews as well as more funny makeup tutorials. And again, my name is Allycat, saying let's all be kind and let's all be a blessing to others by telling everyone how beautiful everyone is. And if I may tell you, you are beautiful just the way you are, with or without makeup, and I love you. Yeah!